Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. World Beauty Fashion Trend. Please viewer, don't forget to subscribe my channel. The best way to not get your heart broken in pretending you do it have won. I will never finish falling in love with you. Sweetheart, I am so happy to have you in my life. You are very special to me. Stop looking for happiness in the same place you lost it. You are cute, can I keep you? Being with you is which I can happiness. Every moment is spending with you is like a beautiful dream come true. I am a soul of love, a heart of space, a man of stealing, a being of life. One smile can start a friendship. One word can end a fight. One look can save a relationship. One person can change your life. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Tell me your dream and I will make them happy. Every time I see you, I am more conversation we belong together. When do I love you? Because you are and always have been my dream. I love that feeling I get when I see you smile. Your voice is my favorite sound. Ever since I met you, nobody else is worth thinking about. I won't be your last kiss, lost love, and lost everything. Forever is a long time, but I would mind spending it by your side. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my video.